morning students. Today we are going to see about type of trapism in plants. Okay, first we see that trapism. What is trapism? Trapism is one of the growth movement. Trapism is a growth movement whose direction is determined by the direction of the stimulus. Okay, whose direction is determined by the direction of the stimulus. Direction of the stimulus. Okay. What is trapism? Trapism is one of the growth movement whose direction is determined by the direction of the stimulus. The trapism, 5 type of trapism. First one, phototrapism. Second one, geotrapism. Third one, hydrotrapism. Fourth one, thigmotrapism. Fifth one, hemotrapism. Okay, first what is first 5 type of trapism? Phototrapism, geotrapism, hydrotrapism, thigmotrapism, hemotrapism. What is phototrapism? Photo means light. The unidirectional movement of a plant part to light stimulus is called phototrapism. Unidirectional movement of a plant part to light stimulus. Okay, it's very important. Next one, geotrapism. Geotrapism means response of a plant part to response of a gravity. Response of a plant part to gravity. Okay. Next one, hydrotrapism. Hydro means water. So response of a plant part to water stimulus. Next one, thigmotrapism. Sense of touch. Okay, the response of a plant part to touch stimulus. Okay. Next one, hemotrapism. Hemo means chemical. So response of a plant part to chemical stimulus. Next, the phototrapism, the stimulus is divided into 2 types phototrapism. Positive phototrapism, another one negative phototrapism. Positive phototrapism. Second one, negative phototrapism. Okay, first to see the positive phototrapism. If a plant part move from towards a signal, the plant part move towards a signal is called positive phototrapism. For example, the potted plant, while the shoot is a pot, Okay, this is a shoot. While the shoot move towards the light, that is called positive phototropism. Okay. Next one, negative phototropism. Negative phototropism means if plant part away from the not toward the signal, away from the signal. Okay, away from the signal, away from the signal. Signal ku opposite. For example, the plant or root part. Plant or root part move towards away from the signal, light ku opposite, direct mele vilarama, root only ground the soil. Okay, underground the soil. That is called negative phototropism. Next, nastic movement. What is the meaning of nastic movement? Means non-directional response to the stimulus is called nastic movement. Nastic movements are type. First plant, Taraxum abyssale. Name Taraxum abyssale. It's a common name, common Dantalion. Dantalion. Okay. What is the main character of the Taraxum abyssale? Blooms in the morning, evening it closes. Okay. It is the main character. Next plant, Ibomia alba. Ibomia alba is also called moonflower. What is the moon means? The flower they open in night. Okay, so it is a name moonflower. Next one, Mimosa pudica. Mimosa pudica is otherwise also called as a touch me nut plant. Tamil tottal suringi அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. It is a touch me nut plant. The closes on touching. That is the main character. Next one, type of nastic movement. First one, thigmonastic. Thigmonastic means response to touch. First plant, Prunuchia ovata. Name, plant name, Prunuchia ovata. Next one, Mimosa pudica. There are two type of plants closes on touching. That is a movement. Next one, Nictinaxi. Nictinaxi means this type of plant responds to the darkness. Okay, Leucaena leucocephala. Look like Tamil and the Tungu Munji Maran Julvangala, any time sleeping condition. Okay, that is called response to darkness. Leucaena leucocephala. Next one, thermonastic. Thermonastic means response to the temperature. Example, plant species, tulipa species. Okay, tulipa species. Next one, photonastic means response to the changes in the light intensity is called photonastic. The plant name example, Saminia salmon. Plain name, Saminia salmon. Next, main difference between the tropic movements and nastic movement. The first one, tropic movement is a unidirectional movement. Next, nastic movement is a non-directional response to the stimulus. Okay. Next one, tropic movement is a growth dependent movement. Only growth dependent panni irukku. Nastic movement, growth independent movements. Next, tropic movements is found in the all plants, but nastic movement only few plants only specialize the characters. Next, tropic movement is a slow action. Nastic movement is a immediate action. Next topic, photosynthesis. Next topic, photosynthesis. Photo means light. Photosynthesis. What is the meaning of photo? Photo means light. Green plants prepare their own food process. Photosynthesis means in this process carbon dioxide combined with water in the presence of sunlight, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. What is the chlorophyll? Is one of the pigment. Chlorophyll, the pigment, green color pigment. In this process, carbon dioxide combined with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll give carbohydrate into enna kadaikum appadina glucose C6H12O6. Where does photosynthesis occur? Photosynthesis occur in leaves, stems and floral buds. Floral buds. Okay. What else is needed for the photosynthesis? Sunlight, chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide is very, very important. Thank you, students.